I'm just walking with a ghost, and it's still walking by my side. My soul is dancing on my chick. I don't know where the exit is. Every day is still the same, and I don't know what to do. I'm carrying my tears in a plastic bag, and it's the only thing I got from you.
I have short hair, and I'm faced with a few complications. So if you care, try to analyze that situation. You know, man, as the leaves fall on the ground, my soul is going round and round and round. So please do it well, just break the spell.